This is Waterfall City in Midrand, a place that was once an open land has become an urban destination where you can do business, live a luxury lifestyle, and shop at the same time. It also offers entertainment and hospitality. That is the Deloitte building, and that's one of the buildings that makes Waterfall stand out. And we usually see this building in the soaps or series, but they say that it's a company that helps other businesses, governments, and organizations solve their problems. In the middle of Waterfall, there is an iconic Mall of Africa where you can find all kinds of beautiful stores, restaurants, cinemas, and games that you can enjoy with your family members and friends. I will make another video showing inside the mall. If you want to stay in Waterfall, it also offers different types of housing options and apartments.
Burn me out, love just brings me down. Go inside like winter leaves that slowly leave the ground. Hey, you come back, I wanna give you a chance. Love me like you used to, so we can learn again. The skin is getting brown, baby, drink your night away. Maybe we will not regret it, you will not regret me. Laying down under the sun, burning love cause we are young. No one tells us what's done wrong, cause it's just me and you. Yeah, it's just me and you. Yeah, it's just me and you.
what makes Waterfall attractive is the way you can practically get everything you want in a combined area: shopping, entertainment, and healthcare. Talking about healthcare, they have one of the most talked about private hospitals. When it comes to destinations, Waterfall is a destination for both business travelers and tourists. This is the building that puts Waterfall City on the spotlight, the PwC Tower. If you have drove along the N1 through Midrand, you have seen it because it is difficult to miss. It outshines Waterfalls. It is right beside the Mall of Africa. It catches people's attention right away from N1 and it is noticeable from a distance. What makes it more interesting is the way it is shaped. Among other buildings, the twisting tower has become part of Waterfall City's historic building. Next to the Mall of Africa, you'll find this colorful park packed with the rides for both children and adults. Believe me, there is something there for almost everyone, from little ones to adults. For the little ones, there are jangly attractions like the teacups and mini wheel. But if you are looking for something more adventurous, this is where things get serious. You can take on rides like the Crazy Wave, Giant Wheel, and Breakdancer, attractions that can keep you entertained. And then there is a giant wheel giving visitors a chance to rise above the city and take a look in the surrounding Waterfall City, being able to see the view from above. So if you are in Waterfall and looking for a family-friendly adventure, Funny Park at Mall of Africa could be worth going to. whether you are looking for a place to shop, a weekend getaway, a hotel for business or some free time, or an apartment to call home, Waterfall has become one of the outstanding places to live around Midrand. Bye friend, thank you for watching.